Hi everyone, my name is Alex, and I'm really happy to be here today. I work in voice recording and simple English narration. I enjoy creating slow and clear conversations for learners so they can understand English in a natural way today. I have something special because I'm meeting someone new and we want to show you how real introductions sound.
Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer. It's wonderful to join you. I create simple stories and beginner-friendly content, and I love turning everyday moments into soft and easy conversations. I'm excited to meet Alex today and share a simple, natural example of how people can introduce themselves calmly, without stress.
So today, we're going to talk about how people introduce themselves and then continue a relaxed conversation. We want to make everything feel real and natural, like a normal day, not like a lesson.
Right, first we will introduce ourselves and then later we will meet in a restaurant and continue our conversation there. You can listen, follow, repeat, and learn how English sounds in everyday situations. Let's go!
And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating simple and friendly English conversations for you. Jennifer, over here, I found a table. It wasn't too hard to get one. I hope you didn't wait long.
Hi, Alex. No, you're fine. I just arrived a moment ago. This restaurant has such warm lighting and the music is soft. I like places that feel calm-like. It makes conversations more comfortable.
Exactly, that's why I chose it. I thought since it's our first time meeting in person, it would be nice to be somewhere peaceful. So tell me, how was your day so far?
My day was good. I recorded a few short clips earlier and then took a walk here. Walking helps me think and clear my mind, especially before meeting someone new. What about your morning?
It was busy. I was editing some scripts and fixing a few lines for a new project. I wanted to finish early so I could relax before coming here. Honestly, I was looking forward to meeting you and talking about our ideas.
That's really kind of you. I'm glad you suggested this place. It feels like a restaurant where you can take your time without feeling rushed. So Alex, tell me more about your work. You mentioned you handle voice recordings?
Yes, most of what I do is related to recording slow English dialogues. I try to make my voice steady so learners can follow easily. I don't like to rush through words, because I want everything to feel clear and gentle. Every script has its own mood, and I try to match my tone with that mood.
That's a really nice approach. Your voice sounds calm and friendly, which is perfect for learners. People need time to understand English, and someone who speaks slowly makes a big difference.
Thank you, I appreciate that. And what about you, Jennifer? How did you start creating stories and content for learners?
I think it started because I always loved writing. Ever since I was young, I enjoy creating small moments that feel real, simple, and emotional. Not too heavy, not too complicated. English learners connect better to soft scenes that feel close to real life. I want people to feel like they are listening to two friends talking, not a teacher giving instructions.
Yes, that makes sense, and I can tell your writing style fits that goal. It feels natural and not forced. That's why when you speak or write, it feels warm, like a quiet evening conversation.
That's sweet of you to say. Working with someone who understands this style makes everything easier, I think. Your calm voice and my soft writing can fit well together. Maybe we can create a series of short dialogues, something that feels like two friends meeting in different places.
I like that idea a lot. It could help learners understand different kinds of daily conversations. Without stress, without fast talking, just simple moments shared between two people.
Exactly, and today our meeting feels like the first step toward that project. I feel very comfortable talking with you, even though this is the first time we sit down together.
I feel the same. It's strange in a good way. Like we synced quickly. Maybe because we both enjoy simple conversations that don't feel heavy.
Maybe so. What do you usually order here? Have you been to this restaurant before?
A few times I try something new every visit because they have a lot of good dishes. But today I feel like ordering something simple like pasta or grilled chicken. Something easy to eat while talking.
Good choice. I usually order soups or pasta because they feel warm and calming after a long day. Maybe I'll get my favorite tomato soup today.
Tomato soup sounds good too, so after we eat, should we talk about our first collaboration? I think we can create a short episode just to see how our styles combine.
Yes, let's do that. Maybe a small story where two people meet for the first time. Just like us today, something calm, soft, and easy to follow.
I like that it's simple but meaningful. And I think people will feel connected to it because real conversations are always better than forced lessons.
Agreed, and I think working with you will be fun. Our energies match well. I'm glad the project brought us together.
Me too, Jennifer. This feels like the beginning of something creative and positive. Let's enjoy our meal and talk about the details later.
Sure, and thank you for today. It was a lovely meeting.
Thank you too, Jennifer. See you next time. Take care.
Goodbye, everyone, and see you in the next episode.